Recently I have paired my DJI Mic 2 with Osmo Pocket 3, and after this I have got this problem. One of my transmitter is not linking with receiver. You can see it. I have tried several ways, but it didn't work. So let's try a method here. Just swap the transmitter. Still there is no luck. It's not working. So let's try final method. It's work almost every time. Just pick the problematic device, long press recording button, until the light turns green. So after this, just put it in the charging port. Boom, it's perfectly linked with its receiver. Thank you for watching. See you next time.